Hi, I'm Engineer Jeff Boggs with the Franklin Fire Department. I'm going to explain to you the firefighter physical ability test. During this test, the candidate will have to perform 11 different tasks performed in sequence in 7 minutes or less. During this test, the candidate will have approximately 40 pounds of gear on, including a firefighter coat, helmet, gloves, and air pack. This equipment will be provided to you by the Franklin Fire Department. Here are a few points that you need to know about the test. A fire officer serving as a test proctor will accompany you through the entire time you're testing. The officer will proceed with you through the course. Running will result in disqualification. However, you may walk briskly with purpose. When climbing and descending stairs and ladders, you must step on every stair tread or ladder rung. Skipping treads or rungs will result in disqualification. All weights, distances, and measurements are approximate. The first task is the hose drag. Drag a 50-foot section of 3-inch hose 75 feet. The second task is the hose carry. Carry a 50-foot section of 2.5-inch hose to the base of the stairs, then climb the stairs to the platform at the top. When you're still upstairs, proceed to the next task, which is the hose pull. Grasp a rope that is attached to a 50-foot length of 2.5-inch hose and use it to pull the hose until it reaches the window. When the hose coupling reaches the window, your test proctor will indicate that you have completed task number 3. A 100-second timer will now be activated. The fourth task is the 100-second walk. Descend the stairs and follow the marked route to the 4.5-foot wall. If you arrived at the wall before 100 seconds have elapsed, you will have to wait to begin the next task until the 100 seconds expire. The fifth task is scaling the 4.5-foot wall. Next is the ladder raise, where you will raise a 20-foot ladder from the ground to a vertical position. For the seventh task, you will climb the ladder about 10 feet onto the platform, then descend the ladder to the ground. Next, you will climb and descend 1 flight of stairs while carrying a 15-pound weight. The ninth task is a forcible entry simulation, utilizing the Kaiser force machine. To use the force machine, straddle the I-beam by standing on the footwalks, and strike the I-beam using a dead blow sledgehammer. The I-beam is weighted to 158 pounds. Drive the I-beam with overhand swings the entire length of the track. The 10th task is the tunnel crawl. Crawl through a U-shaped tunnel that is approximately 30 feet long, 32 inches high, and 32 inches wide. The final task is the rescue mannequin drag. Drag a 180-pound mannequin 45 feet. After dragging the mannequin across the finish line, your test is complete. Your proctor will record your time. Thank you for your interest in the Franklin Fire Department. Good luck.